In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate views on a sheet in Revit. Rotating a view on a sheet is a quick way to improve layout and readability without changing your actual model or the view's orientation in the project browser. This is great for plans or details that read better when turned on the page, especially when you're matching a site boundary, a long corridor, or a mechanical run to the sheet's landscape or portrait format. Start by opening the sheet that already contains the view you want to rotate. Remember, a sheet is the printable layout with the title block, not the model view itself. When you're on the right sheet, you'll see the title block and any viewports placed on it. Next, select the viewport by clicking directly on the view boundary on the sheet. You're looking for the rectangular frame that surrounds the view. When you've selected the viewport correctly, you'll see the boundary highlight and small grips appear around it, and the Properties panel will report that a viewport is selected. If you click inside the drawing and select Walls, Tags, or Dimensions, the property you need won't be available, so make sure the boundary is what's selected. With the viewport selected, go to the Properties panel and look for the parameter called Rotation on Sheet. This control changes how the view is presented on the sheet only. It does not alter the model, the view's internal orientation, or your project's coordinates, so it's a safe, presentation-only adjustment. Choose one of the available options. None leaves the view as placed. 90 degrees. Clockwise turns the view and its title 1/4 turn to the right. 90 degree. Counterclockwise turns it 1/4 turn to the left. These are fixed, clean rotations designed for consistent documentation standards, so you won't find arbitrary angles here. As soon as you pick an option, the viewport and its title rotate together, keeping their relationship intact. This helps titles stay aligned and legible with the view they describe. After the rotation, take a moment to look at how the view sits on the sheet. You'll notice the scale, annotations, and crop remain the same, and only the orientation changes. If your intent is to make a long plan align with the sheet's width, or to fit a detail more naturally on the page, these 90-degree rotations usually provide the perfect fit while maintaining clarity and consistency across your set. That's all there is to it. Open the sheet, select the viewport boundary, use Rotation on Sheet, and choose the orientation that best communicates your design.